right, here we go. We're Collector TV. The package is secured. Finally landed. What's going on, y'all? We got a little quick unboxing. Some shoes I've been waiting on for a pretty long time. Well, not that long, but it's been a minute. Said shipping was gonna take a while, and it's finally here. Defeated the final boss. All right, got my receipt here. You know what I mean? Finally, we have, you see the box, you know what this is. Undefeated fours. Woo! Yes, from 05 to 2025. You see it, package secured. Size 9. It's my size. Here we go. Got the first look. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of relieved it's not a bag of rocks in here, cause see the postcard. Undefeated. It's the store. And the Grail. When it was Sunday, I was supposed to, no, Monday, I got an update saying there was a train delay on my package. And you know how with the Nigel 4s, that whole train robbery situation or whatnot, so I ain't gonna lie, I got a little shaky when I heard about the train delay, but it's all good. Individually wrapped. Ooh, smell them through the wrapper. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Ooh, look at them things. Yes, sir. Look at that. Perfect. See that green, that orange. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got my hang tag. Heard people talking about flaws, and so far, first shoe out, flawless. Damn. And for the most part, now I've been buying sneakers for so long, ain't no sneaker really come flawless like that. Like, these shoes are mass produced by the thousands, hundreds of thousands. I mean, I don't know what you expect, but here we go. All right, let me take the other one out. I'm glad. I hit on the EQL raffle. I put in 1 entry and I hit. I ain't gonna lie, this year, this is the most sneakers I've bought back to back in a long time. But I actually hit on just about every raffle that I entered this year. Got a little glue spot or something like that. See that back tab, but ain't nothing much. Ain't nothing that I'm not used to. It's not that serious at all. These right here is it. Dang. It's really, and this my color right here too. I don't really wear orange, but that olive, yeah. Orange just pop anyway, so this is it right here. Undefeated fours. Been waiting a minute. Like I said, I put in 1 entry in EQL, and I happened to hit. Earlier this year, I also hit on the Union ones. I hit on the SB Navies. Like, everything that I personally wanted, I think I hit on this year. And I also got another package here from Undefeated, something that I ordered months before these dropped, or it was still a rumor if these were coming out when I ordered this stuff from Undefeated. I was thinking maybe that helped with me getting through with only entering, you know, one time. So see what we got here. I ordered this at the beginning of their summer season. This is a tee. I'm gonna crack this bad boy open so you get a better look at it. It's an Undefeated tee. This was up on the beginning of summer. And it just so happened when these come out, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to go for these. So there we go. We already kind of fitted up. And the joints right here. Perfect. So when I seen these loaded up, that these were actually, well, when it confirmed that these were actually gonna drop, I decided to hold off on unboxing this tee until I got the sneakers. So until I got these, I was like, yeah, and I don't know. I was like, man, my streak gotta keep going. And I also got this from Undefeated. And if you know what I do, this is a cutting board. So y'all gonna stay tuned for my food content too. I mean, the Fat Veggie Cooks. Yeah, got the Undefeated cutting board. So I'm gonna put this bad boy to work. Oh yeah. So that's it for this unboxing today. Thanks for rocking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And once again, Undefeated 4s. This is my sneaker of the year. I don't know about anybody else, but this is it right here. Cause I only buy sneakers I could wear, and I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these. I think I'm gonna go for another pair on the sneakers app release for a double up. And I don't really have too much double ups, but this is definitely one of them ones I'm gonna have to go for. So thanks for rocking with me. Y'all be easy. Brick Collector TV.